It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Let's go!
Is it the
Sabihin mo muna kasi.
Rich! Darin!
Well, I know this little child.
Boss, okay na lang, boss.
No one will know.
Ay, ready na ba kayo sa sayaw ko?
Hey babes, love you. Kasal na tayo. Honestly babes, na-overwhelmed ako kasi ang dami nating napagdaanan that led us to this moment.
No, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey,
Uliyak ako! Tissue!
is it the look in your eyes? Or is it
Oh my God, my dear son, you're getting married. So, I know you're a good man. I know you are responsible enough. Be more and more. I love you.
bells sing like ooh? So what you wanna do?
We gather to celebrate a beautiful union, not only of two people, but of two hearts, two lives, two dreams. It is fitting to reflect on marriage with an image of an athlete.
Say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're
Babes, thank you so much for being so patient with me. I know, matigas yung ulo ko and I will try, not promise, my best na mas makinig sa'yo.
Is it the look in your eyes? Or is it this
May,
dance?
do you take David Emmanuel here, present in front of you, for your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Just say I do.
Now, David Emmanuel, do you take May here, present, for your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes? Or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you.
Mamaya, may asawa ka na. May payo ko lang sa'yo. Mahalin mo ng tapat si May. Yung ginawa namin pagpapalaki ng tama sa'yo. Labi na.
Away ba't di natin din na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli.
Good morning, babes! This is it. Here's a little present for you. I can't wait to see you later. I love you so much. See you, babe! Di ako malilate. From college days, pandemic days, volleyball days, LDR days, name it, napagdaanan natin lahat. You have seen the best and worst in me. Yet you're still here, loving me unconditionally.
Thank you, babe. I'll see you later, ha?
Don't worry kasi nasa maayos ako na nagaya kay David. So, alam ko na hindi niya ako papabayaan.
Paborito kong desisyon na pag napal.
And si Mama, I know na happy po siya and naara siya niya mag-uban sa to as I walk down the aisle. Love you. Ay, nagilak.
Ito tayo sa huli, palagi
May
babalik.
mga times na ayaw ko na, pero andyan ka para i-push at supportahan ako. And I will always thank you and love you for that, babes. Sabi nga sa kanta ni TJ Montega, nais kong malaman mo na iyo ako palagi.
Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin kung sa huling sigla.
Permita ka, paminawon, ug sabton. Palangaon, taka, ug ugbanan, taka, hangtod sa kahangturan, palangga, kaayo, ga.
Thank you, Ga, for being my person. You are my home. And I can't wait to see where this journey will take us. My Ga, my babes, I'm yours forever.
No.
Love you.
Malaman